Tanisha, you look like you have something important to share. What's on your mind?
Sir, I started my English journal like you suggested. But I think my writing is full of mistakes.
Mistakes are a part of learning, Tanisha. Let's take a look together. You are already one step ahead by trying.
Today I wake up early. I go to school and study hard. My teacher teaches us about history. After that, I do my homework and watch English movie.
Tanisha, this is a great start. You've written full sentences, and that's very important. But let's fix some small mistakes. English has different tenses. You are talking about past events, so you should use past tense.
Oh. So, I should say, I woke up early, I went to school, and my teacher taught us history.
Exactly. See? You are improving already.
Sir, at first, I was afraid to make mistakes. But now, I think mistakes help me learn.
That's the right attitude. Every mistake is a step forward. Even native English speakers make mistakes. The important thing is to keep practicing and learning from them.
Yes, sir. I will write in English every day. I wanted to message my online English learning group, but I was scared. What if I wrote something wrong? What if they laughed at me? People were so kind. No one laughed at my mistakes. They helped me instead. Sir, writing English messages helped me make new friends. Now, I practice with them every day.
That's fantastic, Tanisha. Language is not just about grammar, it's about connecting with people.
Yes, sir. And now, I feel even more confident. If you're learning English, don't be afraid to write, speak, or make mistakes. Every mistake brings you closer to fluency. Just keep practicing and never give up.